Hello everybody and welcome to a tiny little tip of mine for your crystal lamps at home. They're really in fashion again, especially when you think about all the LED lamps that are just coming out, because most of them they got somewhere some lovely crystals hanging about. But you will see, time goes by fast and suddenly, not even 1 year, the lamp is hanging and you got to clean it. Now here is my tip for you, how you can always have a sparkling crystal lamp in your home that you will enjoy day by day with all the sparkling and rainbows it's creating when another light will hit them. It's easy and you will see from now on you're not afraid anymore to clean your crystal lamp. So to clean your crystal lamp, what do you usually do? You take some rag that you have, some microfaser rag or any other rag. You might do it with water on or with a window cleaner on or even dry. But you easily and very quickly find that when you try to clean them, you're pushing all the other crystals up, and it's very easily done that because of that you microfaser rag get hooked onto one of the hooks that is holding the crystal, and they fall down before you can catch them and they're broken, and you got the difficulty of buying the same kind of form and shape back to get your lamp to the original nice shape again. So we throw this nice rag away and you buy yourself, or maybe you got some at home even, you buy yourself some cotton gloves, soft cotton gloves. You get them anywhere on the internet and they even don't cost very much. I remember when I had this idea, I couldn't find one with 5 or 10 in, or they were a stupid price. So I ordered some. They were actually 100 gloves in, 50 pairs. And it's okay, I use them because after I cleaned one lamp, they got to go in the wash. If I have a bigger lamp than this, I even have to use 2 pairs because I change them afterwards. So you have the possibility of using them dry, as I do now. Before, I used to use window cleaner. I didn't spray it onto the lamp because we got electric in there and you don't want to get hit by the electric when it's on there. So I sprayed my gloves with the window cleaner and then I, one by one, cleaned them like that. But I found that it's very funny on the skin gets all ruffled up and I didn't like that, so I decided to try it just with the dry gloves and it works perfectly. So just get the nice soft cotton wool gloves for yourself and start doing this. I already started, as I've done this video in German already, so I've started already cleaning the bottom layer. If your lamp is not very dirty, then put yourself a little a ribbon somewhere in a position where you want to start, because otherwise it's not so easy to see exactly where you started and where you want to end, especially looking into the light all the time. And in certain rooms, or if you do it in the winter time, you need the light on anyway and suddenly you don't see anything anymore. So you got to put yourself a mark somewhere. And then you just go one by one and you can easily really go all the way inside that little trap that I got here with this hand and really clean them beautifully. And you will see it's even fun doing this. I mean, it takes some time, yes. The bigger your lamp is and the more crystals you got hanging, the longer it takes. I'm doing this a little bit different than I usually do it, because usually I really, when I'm on my own, now you're here, you know, I got to take care of you. When I do it on my own, I really do one layer there, then I do the next layer, and so on. Otherwise you got no idea where you are. But I'm showing this to you, you know, so maybe you can even see on the video. I'm not sure how sparkling they're getting just by wiping over once. And it's really done so quickly, you don't believe it. as you can watch me here in the real time, and it's just fun. Well, I'm enjoying this, and all I can say now is I hope you enjoy this tutorial of mine with this fantastic tip of doing the cleaning. Oof, they're going dark already. Maybe even for this lamp I will need 2 pairs of my gloves here. I hope you enjoy my video, my tip. Give me a nice comment, I wouldn't mind. And try this on all your crystal lamps that you got. Or maybe one more hint or tip. If you have a glass shelf where you have many little items on, it's also nice to do it with the gloves. You only have to lift your item, you go over it, and you're finished with it. But then they gotta go in the wash. See you hopefully soon again. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye. Until next time.